everyone. Happy New Year. And welcome to our special episode of Synonym Showdown, English Quiz with Ajar Alvin. I'm really excited to begin this new learning experience with everyone as we jump into another enjoyable and informative English quiz. This is part 26, and we're kicking off the year with some New Year vocabulary. Learners, New Year is the perfect time for fresh beginnings, setting goals, and of course, learning something new. So today, we'll explore words and phrases related to this holiday season. Expanding your vocabulary with these words will not only help you in conversations, but also in writing and expressing your New Year's resolution. So, are you ready to welcome 2025 with this fresh vocabulary? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, for question number 1. What is a synonym for the word resolution? Option A, decision. Option B, indecision. And option C, hesitation. I'll give you 10 seconds to choose your answer. All right. The correct answer for this first question is yes, option A, decision. Learners, a resolution is basically a firm decision to either do something or not do something, particularly when it comes to setting goals for New Year. A decision is all about making a choice with determination. Here's your sample sentence. My New Year's resolution is to read books and improve my English vocabulary. Okay, for question number 2. What is a synonym for the word celebrate? Option A, ignore. Option B, mourn. And option C, commemorate. You've got another 10 seconds to figure out the right answer, and it starts now. Okay, the correct synonym for celebrate is option C, commemorate. Learners, to celebrate means to honor or enjoy a special occasion. And commemorate shares the similar meaning, especially when it comes to marking important events. Here's your sample sentence. We celebrated the arrival of the new year with fireworks and music. All right, let's dive into question number 3. What is a synonym for the word goal? Option A, doubt. Option B, target. And option C, failure. Okay, learners, think about the correct answer for 10 seconds. Okay, time's up. The right answer here is option B, target. A goal is basically what you're aiming for. And target is a similar term used to describe something you work toward achieving. So here's your sample sentence. One of my goals for the new year is to practice speaking English every day. Okay, let's proceed to question number 4. What is a synonym for the word tradition? Option A, custom. Option B, novelty. And option C, experiment. You've got 10 seconds to pick the correct answer. And it starts now. All right. The correct synonym for tradition is option. Yes, option A, custom. Learners, the word tradition means a way of doing things that have been followed for a long time and passed down from one generation to the next. The word custom is somewhat similar to this. And for your sample sentence, it is our family tradition to have a big dinner on New Year's Eve. And for our final question for today, what is a synonym for the word hope? Option A, fear. Option B, despair. And option C, optimism. You've got 10 seconds left to pick the correct answer. All right, time's up. The correct answer here is option. Very good. Yes, option C, optimism. Learners, the word hope is all about looking forward. Looking forward to good things happening. And optimism shares that same positive feeling to it. And for your final sample sentence, she entered the new year with hope and optimism for better opportunities. Fantastic job, everyone. You've just acquired some essential New Year vocabulary to start 2025 with confidence and a stronger understanding of English. Remember, every word you learn brings you closer to express yourself more effectively and understanding English better. So keep setting those learning resolutions and striving for improvement. Thank you for joining me today for our special New Year's episode. This is Ajarn Albin wishing you success, happiness, and most importantly, a year full of learning. See you next time. Keep learning, keep growing, and as always, happy learning.